All right, today we are going to be unboxing and putting together a Vulcan welding cart. It comes from Harbor Freight Tools. They had a cheaper one, but it had really small wheels. This one has the larger wheels and it holds 350 pounds, holds your bottle at the back. And of course, this is all leading up to, I got those clearance trailer axles from Orscheln Farm and Home. And so after we get this welder set up, the cart set up, we're gonna start building some trailers. Should be fun. So here we go, let's get started. That's remarkably hard to open. Carry on, we'll come back to that. I'm going to put this up here so we have a photo of what we are going to be building. The welder we're going to be putting on it is, I haven't even unboxed it yet. It's an Eastwood MiG 135, so you can be looking that up. We'll be unboxing that after we get all this done. And we'll post that and we'll get our cart set up and then we'll get started on our trailers very soon. The one thing that's not in the instructions that I'm going to add to, and that's going to be, I'm going to use red thread locker, because if you're not pulling it apart, why would you not use thread locker? That way it doesn't come apart. And I did grab a battery drill with a 10 millimeter. It appears everything on this thing is 10 millimeter. And I've got it clutched down to 2. I'll adjust that if I need to. It says bolt for a flat washer and a spring washer. Why would they not have put a label on these things? Just based on size, I'm going to say it may be this one. It has to be this one. So they call spring washers what we call lock washers. Next it shows putting on the wheels. Next it says we put the top shelf on with another 4 bolts with a lock washer and a flat washer. Okay, next it says put the axle on. The 2 spacers were in here. I'm going to go ahead and drop those into the wheels. They're going to go towards. We've got the axles, and then the E-clip is also in there, in this box. Flat washer, E-clip snaps on. Slide that over. I'll be WDing that axle after we're done, probably on a regular basis in fact. Washer, E-clip. And the little kitty's helping us out today. She's not normally a worker, but I guess today she's a worker. I hate because they don't put the sizes. What they did on the back page, they have a parts breakdown, and instead of showing the size of the bolt, it just says, okay, it's a metric 6, 30 millimeters long, 50 millimeters long, 35 millimeters long. So we do have the ability to get that information just by measuring it. It says to put the adjustable stop on. This underneath it. Right, it's time to put the upright that has the bottle back on it. It's time to do the upright with the back that goes against the bottle. Got to put the 2 side pieces on here, and it says it uses the 30 millimeter long bolt. Another example of these crazy instructions, it has the bolt labeled spring washer, actual lock nut labeled bolt, but it actually does have the flat washer labeled correctly. It's goofy stuff. This one uses the long bolts. The only reason I figured that out was, like, now it goes almost all the way in and then you tighten up. And earlier I was having to thread it in the whole time. And I knew that didn't seem right. And I was asking earlier, not sure what these holes were for, but I seen the picture. It's for that. And they can be swapped to either side. Same situation on these. The bolts or the nuts are internal to this, and it's got this brace on it.
Leave my iPad alone.
He won't?
No.
Okay, I'll help you in just a second.
Okay. I'll go in the bathroom.
Okay.
Also, you got to it, didn't you, Dad?
I did.
How long has that been taking?
Not very long.
Probably a few hours.
Yeah, it hasn't been that long. The last thing on the list is just to put this on. One more. This cart was normally $100. I got it with one of the coupons for $89. Take the toolbox, put it right there. We got 2 chains. The $40 one has much smaller wheels, and with the cylinder being on there with that weight, I thought it may be hard to pull around. Okay, we're finishing up the Master Welder Series Vulcan from Harbor Freight Tools. I'm gonna put the bottle on the back of the cart. Coming up, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Eastwood MIG 135 welder, item number 12011. I'm going to pull this around for a second and see how it feels so far. I think it'll work.
This is the drop axle that I got on clearance from Orscheln Farm and Home, and this is what we're going to be making the 5x8 and 5x10 homemade trailers. I have new tires on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and that way you'll be notified when we start building the trailer. Thank you.